Welcome to the video.
Welcome to the video.
Yeah, say, what did we do today?
I forgot.
We went to the trails.
Yeah.
So can you say, we went trail hiking today?
We went trail hiking today.
And did you have fun?
Yes.
Yeah? How long did you walk?
Fast.
You went 1 kilometer.
Yeah.
And you know how long it took you?
No.
1 hour.
That was fast.
Yeah, that was pretty good. You did a good job. All right, here we go. Lily, what's up? Oh, hi.
Help me, Daddy?
No glad. No glad. One-handed assist.
Yeah.
What is that?
The 12 o'clock siren.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi. Look, we have there. We gotta cross over there. You think you can do it? How are you feeling? Mm-hmm. I have a dirty hand.
Yeah. You wanna keep on going? You still need a cane?
I want it still.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead.